In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to disable BitLocker on your Windows PC. Later in the video, I will also show you how to re-enable it. But it's worth nothing that you don't have to re-enable BitLocker if you don't want to. Before we start, let's double check if BitLocker is actually currently enabled on your system. Press the Windows button on your keyboard, search for BitLocker and open Manage BitLocker. In this section you should see your drives. It will be listed as either BitLocker on or off. If BitLocker is on, like it's on my C drive here, you can proceed with disable it. Now you might be wondering if you need your car recovery key to turn it off. The good news is, if you can log into your PC, access the desktop, and you are using an administrator account, you are completely good to go. You can disable BitLocker without knowing the recovery key. Go ahead and click the turn off BitLocker. You will see a prompt warning you that the drive will be decrypted and that it could take a while. Select turn off BitLocker again. The drive will now be labeled as decrypting. This process takes some time, but you can still use your PC while it runs in the background. Feel free to play games, watch videos, or do whatever you need to do. Just minimize this window. When it's finished, it will be labeled as BitLocker off. If you're wanting to temporarily disable BitLocker to update your BIOS, upgrade hardware components on system, or potentially use this drive on different PC, you can safely do that now. And remember, you can also just choose to keep BitLocker off for the foreseeable future. But if you ever want to enable BitLocker, just go back to your Windows search and type BitLocker and open Manage BitLocker. Find your drive and click Turn on BitLocker. The system will run a quick check, then prompt you to back up your recovery key. We can save it to your Microsoft account, save it to file, or print it. You will need to plug the external USB drive to open a folder here and save the key external drive. Once backed up, click Next. Next, choose your encryption setting. If it's a brand new PC, choose the top option. Otherwise, select encrypt the entire drive and click Next. For almost everyone, I highly recommend choosing the new encryption mode. On the next page, check the box to run BitLocker system check and click Continue. The system will now require a restart, so go ahead and manually restart your PC. Once you are back on the PC, log in as usual, search for BitLocker and open Manage BitLocker again. You should see the drive and now label as encrypting. Like before, you can completely use your PC while this runs. Once it is finished, it will say BitLocker on, meaning everything is fully re-encrypted. Remember to keep that recovery key handy in the off chance that you lose it in the future, as long as you can still log into PC. So you can just repeat the step in this video to disable BitLocker and set it up again to get a fresh key. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.